Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing well. Hope your summer's going great so far. Hope your year 2020 is going really well. We're halfway through 2020, so at least there's that, right? Glass half full and all that. My name is Matt Schoner. I am your professor for your summer online history class this summer term. I just wanted to repeat a few things that I sent out in my email that you should have gotten yesterday, which is Saturday, the Saturday before classes started. I just wanted to reiterate a few things just so that we're all on the same page. Number one, definitely get your textbooks in as soon as if you don't already have your textbook, please get it in early this week so you can start getting to work on module number 1, which we'll talk about more in a second. So yeah, get the textbook. It can be in ebook format. It could be, paperback. I don't care. It doesn't really matter. You could rent it. You can buy it, whatever. Just as long as you have the current edition of the textbook, the one that I sent out in the email, make sure you get that edition because it's important to follow along exactly with the right page numbers. So our whole class is going to be structured around modules. There's going to be 8 modules, 1 for every week of the summer term. And all these modules will be posted on Blackboard. The entire course is going to be on Blackboard. And in fact, the entire course is going to be in these module folders that you'll find in the assignments tab on our course Blackboard page. So go to Blackboard, click on our course, click on assignments, and that's the entirety of the course is going to be on that part of the website. So when you click on a module for the week, you'll see that you'll have a few different things to do. One of them is watch a video by me, just discussing the topic for that week. You don't really have to do anything except just watch the video. I'll try and keep it short, 5 minutes or so. And then do the textbook readings that are outlined in the course schedule. Once you've done the readings, you can move on to doing the weekly quizzes. And the quizzes will be, just like everything else that's on Blackboard in the module folder. The quizzes are just short 10-question quizzes covering the readings, the textbook readings for that week. So make sure you do the readings. Make sure you do the quiz. The quiz is open book. Like, you can feel free to use your textbook to tackle the quiz. I just want to make sure that you are doing the readings and getting out of the readings the things that you should, the most important points, which is what I'm quizzing you on. So we have video, the readings from the textbook, the quiz over the readings. You'll also be in charge of reading a set of primary source documents, or in other words, historical documents. These are also really short, usually 2 to 3 pages, sometimes less, sometimes more, covering topics related to the chapter or chapters that we're talking about that week. So you'll want to read the documents and then write what I call an analysis paper. Now, when you hear the word paper, you might be freaking out a little bit. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. It's not like a huge paper that you have to do every week. I'm not asking you to do that. Instead, what these are short essays, essentially. I'm looking at maximum 2 pages, double space, answering questions that I give you relating to the documents for that week. So it's a short essay paper, but you will get the questions relating to the documents each week. You'll read the documents, you'll answer the questions in essay form. I'm giving you on Blackboard a template so that you can format the paper the way that I want to see it. And you'll also get a sample paper or 2 to look at, so you have a good idea of what the heck you're doing. If we were meeting in person, I would, go over things with you guys, like we would do like a workshop and stuff about writing a paper. But right now, I think the best thing to do is just to give you examples of what good analysis papers look like. So you can use those as inspiration and a template of its own to work off of. So you get all that in the module folders on Blackboard each week under the assignments tab. In the syllabus tab, you'll see the class syllabus. You will also see the class schedule for the 8 weeks of the summer term. So you know what you're getting into. You know what is due each week. And by the way, the due date for everything, for all the assignments in every single module, is going to be Friday, 1 minute before midnight. That's always going to be your due date for that week's work. So for Module 1, the first week of class, the due date for everything, the quiz, the analysis paper, I guess it's just those two things for the first week, is going to be June 12th, Friday, at 11:59 p.m. So 1 minute before midnight. 1 minute before Saturday starts, in other words. So you have, for each module, you'll have an entire week to work at your own pace, to do the readings and the quizzes, the analysis paper and document readings. You have an entire week to set your own pace for that. And the reason I'm doing this is because the world is crazy right now. And you know, I'm not here to place a value judgment on everything that's going on, except that it's messing with people's schedules, and people's work schedules are crazy. And so I wanted to make this class flexible for you guys so that you don't have to do certain things on Monday, and then another thing on Tuesday, and then another thing on Wednesday, because some people have to work all day on Mondays or something like that. So work at your own pace. The due date for all the module work is going to be the end of Friday every week. And that includes the exams. We have 2 exams, a midterm and a final. On the weeks that the exams happen, you have no other work to do. There's no quizzes, there's no analysis papers, just work on the exam. That will also be on Blackboard. It will also be open book, open note. And you'll be asked to, it'll be a combination of kind of multiple choice questions and short essay questions. So make sure you do the readings, because the exams will ask kind of broad general questions about the 4 weeks that you're going to be tested over for each exam. See what else. My office hours, I'm going to be holding virtual office hours on Microsoft Teams. That access to Microsoft Teams should be included with your LLCC email account, so you can log into that. My office hours are posted in the class syllabus. So every Monday and Wednesday afternoon, I'll be online. I'll be on my computer. If you want to chat in real time with me, or if you want a video call and just talk to another human being, if you're more comfortable doing that, or you just want to talk to a person. Quarantine life, hashtag. So you have that option every week. If those times don't work for you, you can set up an appointment with me and we can do a video chat or a live text chat as well. You can always contact me over email. I'll get back to you within 24 hours. I'm a stay-at-home dad, a work-from-home dad right now, and so my priorities are splitting time between the kids and work, and so I'll try and get back to you within 1 business day about any questions you have. I think that's it. All right, this is running a little long. Sorry about that, but it's nice to meet you guys virtually anyway. I'll get to posting the first video for Module 1 very soon. If you guys have any questions about the coursework or the book or anything like that, let me know. Otherwise, I wish you all the best, and I look forward to hopefully talking to you guys more pretty soon. All right.